So the petrochem industry is one that we focus heavily on. One of the challenges in the petrochem industry is things like phenols and BTEX.
These are compounds that tend to be toxic, but are ones that are very treatable with our adsorbent material.
And as a result, we can preferentially remove them in front of other organics, which means that the cost of treatment of the problem contaminants is much lower using our technology.
The beauty with Arvia, it is a revolutionary technology that brings together two separate treatment processes in an in situ single stage. It is an eco-friendly, clean technology that allows contaminants to be treated and bring them down to regulatory limits.
One of the exciting things about the technology is we don't produce any waste, we don't produce any sludge, and all the organics are then oxidized so that they don't have to be disposed of in a secondary disposal route.
In many cases, we have clients that approach us after they've tried every single other technologies and have failed to treat their water. One such case is a client from a chemical manufacturing process that had a wastewater with an inlet COD concentration around 200 ppm and also had BTEX present in that waste stream greater than 4 ppm. So we've designed a treatment system for removing the COD, but also to remove all the BTEX which was present.
So the clever thing about our technology is we're combining two streams together to overcome the deficiencies of each of those streams: electrochemistry and adsorptive technologies.
There's a fundamental thing about the chemical structure of these BTEC compounds, in that most of them are ring compounds, cyclic compounds, benzene type structures, which makes them, they really want to adsorb onto our media very, very powerfully. So we can trap them very effectively and very quickly on our media. And then when we oxidize them, the ring compound is very easy for Arvia technology to destroy. We can target our consumption, our power, our voltage, to break that benzene ring open, and that subsequently destroys the compound.
In the end, the solution that Arvia offered was eco-friendly, use only a small amount of energy, and also remove over 99% of the COD.
So the Arvia technology, what it's allowing companies to do is use water that historically couldn't be used. It's allowing water to be recycled inside of factories, and it's reducing the contamination of fresh water.
We're working on something that not only is scientifically exciting, but the applications could have immense benefit for human health, for the environment.
Come talk to Arvia today. We can help you figure out what your problems are and help you find a viable resolution.